Today is my rest day and I'm so bored, so there, I cooked something and I made some sauce. So this one is made of egg and this is made of mayo with pepper and with garlic. Mayo, garlic with pepper, something like that. And this one is very crunchy. Look at this. ASMR. You hear that? Dip it here. That's a perfect bite. This is so yummy. Naririnig nyo ba? Sobrang crunchy niya. So that's it. And then I'm just gonna watch movie. I'm currently watching Sweet Home. So, sinimulan ko siya ulit kasi may bagong episode para updated ako. So yan, try this at home. Very simple lang siya. Kung gusto niya, lagay ko yung ingredients niya. Pero just to let you know, ano lang yan, itlog. And then, nalagyan ko lang siya ng malamig na water together with flour and cornstarch, and then mix it together. And then I just put some basil leaves. That's why you can see there are some leaves there. In-upgrade ko lang siya ng very light, pero pwedeng salt and pepper lang naman. And then I just added magic syrup, you know, just to add flavor. And then before you fry it, maraming mantika, and then painitin nyo muna. Tapos pwede nyo lagyan yung mixture ng tube ice para maging crunchy siya. So that's the secret for crunchiness like this. Kasi mabagal ako kumain, so hanggang mamaya yan, crunchy pa din yan. So yun na, try this at home. Crunchy ma? How's the taste? You like it?
Mamantika lang.
Mamantika. Walaan mo, saan gawa?
Hindi ko alam. Parang ito pagkain.
Sarap?
Sarap.
Gawa yun sa ihin ni Sese. Joke lang.